njengoba sengishilo earlier on ukuthi sesamuva ekhaya from eZola saya eMfulo.
Yes.
So then it happened ukuthi nakhona same history as repeat. Ngiyadlala estradini ngibuye esikolweni after school I've got no friends. So ngibona abantu bayadlala estradini nabo badlala iThupali. Hayi ngibabukele from then ngibe ne-interest man. Athi ngicela ukudlala yabo. Hayi ngicela ukudlala bangifake egroup on one side. Bangiphase ngibambe ibhola ngidribble abantu ngikore yabo. Hayi still defend thathe bangiphase ngidribble futhi ngikore like lokhu ibhizinisi phinda yabona. Eventually kunenye out babiza uThulani. I must qeda akathi kimi endoda man yazini would you mind joining Orlando Pirates yabo. Ngithi Orlando Pirates ngithi ayazi mfowethu ayiwena manje sokhuluma isiGreek ke phela manje. Phela Orlando Pirates you think bajimela ledeni la kufuneka khona imali zama transport nani and imali etaxi ayikho ngimtshele yazini mfowethu as much as I'd love to yabo but aish Exciting, man.
Good day and a warm welcome to Sports Geek with Sibonelo Ngcobo, and this is episode 4. I hope by now you definitely know the drill, exactly what is required and expected from you. In case you have forgotten, don't forget to just press that like button and the share button, like they always say, the more the merrier. Alande Evangeli Bagwetu, ukule lapana umndeni we Sports Geek with Sibonelo Ngcobo. Namhlanje awusinenhlanhla laphana we have the guest the former Orlando Pirates laphana insizwe iyagijima laphana kwezigama gebhola ezimnyama ngenkani ezashiya umhlaba kaMasipala uMapeketwane yaphinda laphana gijima laphana kubafana baseLimpopo abafana baka David Etidiela laphana Black Leopards Lidoda Duva awuphinde laphana wagijima nalaphana kwiqembu elase eMpumalanga Aces amazayoni aseMpumalanga bakwethu. As it if that was not good enough, wabesethi White King wathi nginibonisa ngimgcwalisela wayeflathela eNingizimu Afrika and wayale eEurope phesha kwezilwandle wakhamba khona. That's why he applied his trade go Portugal awulaphana. It doesn't get any better than that. Wabesethi manicabanga ukuthi ngiphelelwe. How is the national collab? How does the national collab sound to you? How does Bafana collab sound to you? Ladies and gentlemen, sinenhlanhla ukuthi le studio to have insizwa laphana uMangethe. Please welcome Mandla Christopher Zwane.
Good morning to you, Mr. Mark Poloba, and your viewers at home. Thanks for inviting me. Ayaphileka mntaka baba nje ubona nje umqemane nje.
Bathi nesiXhosa umqaba levini. Basho njalo lapha. Ngaphesha kwencibo basho njalo. Baba ngicela nje uqolisa from my side ukuthi ish ufike eqala ngami and I was supposed to be the first one uthi ngifike la kube mina ngikuwelcome and wena here you were ngaphambi kwami. That shows surely a high level of professionalism and discipline from your side. But yize kunjalo, surely I cannot take the blame ukuthi I'm late. I was late. Surely someone has to take the blame, and I'll blame it on my colleague uThatu yena ongidelayile. So it's not my fault. So I'm not going to take the blame.
No, as they say, bosses are never late, are delayed.
Exactly. So, I was delayed by Utato, my colleague. I had to go and pick her up somewhere. So it's not my fault. So, but be that as it may,
okay, no problem, my brother. I mean, it comes with the territory. I mean, from Dala, Sisakula, Slala, amateur. I come to Kala Bengek to draw my car. So, best walker. So, coach it, but I challenge straight. Best walker from Mfulo to Pimville. Yeah, so best walker, best lang 2 hours before he came. So, ukhula nayo leyo nto leyo sesegazini
ukuthi nje if ukuthi lokuze call time it's 9:30 mina ngibe if kukhonakala 9:30 8:30 I must be there.
Yeah,
hayi sibonge kakhulu baba ngaphandle nje laphana kokumosha kokupholisa amaseko, just for the benefit of our viewers who are not sure exactly ukuthi uMandla Zwane ubani kahle, awusitshene nje ukuthi uMandla Zwane where was he born and bred, wafunda kuphi wakhulela kuphi ubanje exactly
Mandla Zwane. Mandla Zwane was born and bred and also raised in Soweto eZola too.
Oh, it's also Soweto.
Yeah, it was a Soweto cash and then funde eZola higher primary. Ngiqale primary school yami eBusisiwe, which is next door iZola higher primary. So then from lapho I moved to Elavela, then midway through the year, but my 86 percent into standard 6 by then, which is grade 8.
Grade 8 now.
Then I relocated to Mfulo. So then now there was no money for transport, so I couldn't. Okay, because of riots in 86, then
Yes.
I was doing standard 6. And 87, we relocated to Mfulo again. There was no money for transport. I ended up, starting the year again. 88. That's when I did my my high schooling at Lubone High School, which is now Mfulo.
Mfukondla Soweto.
Ngase White City Madison. So yeah, Mfulo Soweto, yes. Yeah.
And then your football bag, the virus le football.
Yeah.
Ikuthole kuphi kushaye kanjani le football bag?
The football bag mfowethu ingibambe. I wasn't even aware ukuthi nami shuthi lizongena kakhulu egazini, but yazi manje ngabafana nisakhula, there was nothing else to do endlini. Maniqeda ukucleana niyahlala nenze next. And manje kaningi amakunabosisi bathi hayi phumani sifuna ukuclean.
Sifuna ukucleana, yes.
Singabafana, so mawuse stradini nali ibhola or iplastic uyalihlanganisa sidlala ngalo iplastic nini basithole ibhola ngathi lipamukile sidlala umadriblana sidlala umakhabelana zonke lento lezi. That's where the bug started kahle kahle uyabona. So informally i-development engekho structured uyabona.
Yeah.
But eventually we ugcine developer senza ama-chance wazi maselokishini masingabafana ikolo noma sivaliwe singabafana si-8 ayisahlangana sihambeni selezani sohlangana abantu sodlala nabama-challenge from ekseni until angaze liyoshona.
Come back home thola isibhaqanyana.
Ndoda ngiyakubona konke lo isibhaqo is second. Uphuma ekseni udlile usuthi uyahamba uyodlala from ngo9 ekseni until ngo6 intambama. By the time ubuya ulambile hayi indaba okudlala. The punishment it ngoba asikhona ukunthuma before uzodla nawa amanzi igeza. Yabo ke punishment ndoda. Ngaleso sikhathi ulambile ndoda from ngo9 ekseni unofuna ukudla but hayi before uzodla kugeza. Uyathola? Nayinto ezuthi sihambe sema-ground lapha ngeke basithole khona because masise stradini siyadlala bayakubiza. Hey hamba othenga ianyanisi. Udlala bakubiza futhi hey hamba othenga isinkwa. Hamba othenga ushukela, hamba othenga ibisi. Awubona ukuthi yazi la mangiseduzane ngiyamosheka. Ngono manje ngiphume nje sihambe selekda ngeke bayeleza nje lapha bayibize bezole emabhodini. Ngase hardware banibize besidlala khona ngeke bayehle all the way down bayosibiza ukuthi so madezwe because ishop bike ekudeni kakhulu madezwe bahambe bayosithengela kwasabona thina ke i-development iqala iyaqhubeka lezansi ema-groundini siyadlala.
Okay, then talk to us about your breakthrough, your professional breakthrough. How did it come about and which team was that la uqale khona ukuthi wazi ukuthi Mandla Zwane i-professional player manje?
Njengoba sengishilo ela ukuthi sesamuva ekhaya from eZola saya eMfulo.
Yes.
So then it happened ukuthi nakhona same history as repeat. Ngiyadlala estradini ngibuye esikolweni after school I've got no friends. So ngibona abantu bayadlala estradini abo badlala iThupali. Hayi ngibabukele from then ngibene interested man. Athi ngicela ukudlala yabo. Hayi ngicela ukudlala bangifake egroup on one side. Bangiphase ngibambe ibhola ngidribble abantu ngikore yabo. Hayi still defend thathe bangiphase ngidribble futhi ngikore like lokhu ibhizi siphinda yabona. Eventually ngenye out babiza uThulani. Ngasikhohle isibongo sakhe ubani but angijaze igasa ama nickname. Bambiza uShuka yabo.
Shuka, yes.
Yeah. Sisonke lapha esquatter camp eMshenguvili eMfulo.
Yes.
Yeah. Angibone ngenza lento le yabona. Kukuthi naye on the day kade bangajimi beka off. So ngidlala against yena. Yabona? Ayinaye kumenze busy. Dribble wonke umuntu yabona. Ngishayisha ibobo. Yabona ngishayisha ibobo la from there ngikore. Athula ngibheke. Ayi mase sokumnyama. Athi kimi ndoda. Ikhona iklapho edlayelayo. Ngithi hayi angidlayela iklapho. Why? Athi no hayi bengibuza nje yabona. Hayi sharp. I khula amalanga. The next day aye ejimini.
Ejimini yabo ba yabo.
Hayi ngiyeza lapho. Ijimi yePirates.
Jimmy udlala kwi-Pirates
udlala ku Pirates ushuka
Oh,
under 16 ye Pirates
under 16 ye-Pirates.
yes
Okay.
right the day after by train because of ngidlala ubudlale ku Thupali on a Wednesday banga train kathi bajima Tuesday Thursday yabo so Wednesday Thursday yabuyele training Friday u off abajima the very same thing sayadlala futhi manje saseside lami manje
Okay.
yabo ngiyamphasa uyangiphasa dlala ama 1-2 yabona ukuthi amalo umuntu wona ne first touch uyayishaya hayi ukuthi uyadribula nje kuphela yabo I must qeda akathi kimi endoda man yazini would you mind joining Orlando Pirates yabo ngithi Orlando Pirates ngithi ayazi mfowethu ayiwena manje sokhuluma isiGreek ke phela manje phela Orlando Pirates you think bajimela ledeni la kufuneka khona imali zama transport nani and imali etaxi ayikho ngimtshele yazini mfowethu as much as I'd love to yabo but ayikusedeni mana ngeke ngibe nemali etaxi nangaleso sikhathi leso ne phela ubaba beka favor iKaizer Chiefs may he so rest in peace and it's obvious nathi ke yabona so landela
ne Chiefs nayo
yabona ngaleso sikhathi leso maka propose kanjalo I'm like ngangifavor iChiefs nodlala kuPirates
it doesn't add up
but ngithi anyway i-excuse yami kube leyo ukuthi anginamali etaxi ngibe nemali etaxi ukuya e-training yabo athi hayi man asijime ekudeni ngithi nijimela kuphi but hayi just across the river lana kulama ground lawa ngapha ngasemuva ngithi athi ngithi okay no I'm okay since angina club anyway I cannot just idle ukuyabona ngidlala e-stradini nje kuphela ngithi okay it's fine it's okay I can try athi okay ngizokubuza ukuthi bajima nini yabo sharp ahamba mala ngiviki lokuqala lidlule ongamboni on a Monday ngimbone on a Tuesday athi kimi no higher training uzo find out ukuthi but a group yami ijima nini yabo age group yami ijima nini angibuza iminyaka yami ngithi hayi ngina 14 athi okay sharp yena ujima ka under 16 yeah hayi good enough abuye Tuesday inhlanhla leyo ngihlangane naye bengishop ngihlangane naye angisho hey manje abantu ngibabonile bathi bajima Monday Wednesday and Friday but like since because today Tuesday uzoya kusasa ngizokuhambisa kusasa because thina sijimi kusasa ngithi okay because ucoach bokumuntu we1 anyway yabo should baka structure amalanga ukuthi Monday ama under 14 Tuesday ama under 16 and under 18 ne reserve yabo so kanjalo so kwamaphela hayi Wednesday ngihambe naye angintroduce lapha ayisijime ke ngidribble abantu coach athi uyangibheka a stop session athi hey mfana kithi hayi phela mele uphasa ibhola ndoda
uza kengqondo sestratini wena
yabo athi mele uphasa ibhola ndoda phela kumele ushare ibhola la ibhola liyashare yabona akusumba uzenzele nje uyi1 awuyiwananga of which I understand yabo hayi sharp ayike shuthi manje ke for mina ke Tuesday ne Thursday sokilanga lami lokuthi ngidlala ama challenge yabona because Monday Wednesday Friday kumele ngijime lapha nalana age group yami kanti ke ngazikhohlisa mina because ngiye ngijime Tuesday Wednesday ne group yami under 14 Thursday athi ubuye kusasa
kusho coach
sezojema na under 16 nalo muntu lo
ngintroduce
hayi ngibuyele the next day ngijime Friday group yami ngiyabuyela Saturday siyadlala on my debut ngikore 5 goals
debut kwiPagan Pirates junior side Pirates yeah
shy 5 goals yabona I never look
ibisukile
kwabe
sokusukile
ke from lapho yabona so yeah that's how my journey started. Pirates,
so that is under 14 and then that is I would say amateur side under 14 amateur side
and ayiphelanga lapho mase ukudlala Sunday ucoach uthi ngireport under 16 ayadlala
sure
yabo hayi ngoba impela ngifike ngidlale okay khona ka ngizange ngikore amagoli amaningi ayi5 but ngikore bomathunyana yabo hayi good enough ngithi kuphelile lapho sesiqedile under 16 athi no hayi under 18 iyadlala athi ungahambi
naba iminyaka lapho na 14
na 14
so 14 16 now so under 18
yeah hlala ebenchini angifaki sebo ma 5 minutes hayi iphela igame lapha ngizangikora yabona hayi sharp Monday sengiyajima ke manje
nabo ba
ane group yami under 14
under 14 yakho yes.
Tuesday athi hayi buye hayi ngijime under 16
16
16 ne18
Ziyahamba
zahlanganiswa yabona hayi good Wednesday group yami Thursday hila Friday hile Saturday yo ndoda iviki lonke like ngisema groundini iviki lonke ngisema groundini there's no other way because of the now ucoach uyi-1 phela
Coach uyi-one, yes.
ama game was ne league like we have a structure in such a way that ukuthi ama juniors adlala Saturday labangathi ba junior elite ama 16 and 18 badlala on Sunday so because ama ground was scarce back then uyabona because kakhulu besidlala league yase obizwa Orlando but ama ground bewusebenzisa eNike Center
okay
yeah kanti bewayi4 ama ground ngaleso sikhathi leso so it accommodated ama schedule wama juniors even nalabo abangathi badala nyana so that's how that's how actually that's what kickstarted everything yeah
and never look back since then
and then now
then the senior team ungene kanjani kwi senior team
no angithi ngisaya lapho so then now angithi uyakhula nayo iminyaka 16 17 18 when I was 19 qale le tournament le no league Caltex called
Caltex called under 19
under 19
yes
at that time I was well established ku Pirates ku development sengi captain aphela seneminyaka into ya 91 92 yes 91 92 bese ngina 4 years ngo Pirates so obviously they bengidlala ngakhona like
you are regarded
no mamela wonke amasolo run owabona bashawa bayenza now Messi or abo I was doing those things ukuyabona I'm not ungabuza uBruce Ramukade or uMcDonald Mukanzi ubazokutshela na ama player weKaizer Chiefs abo Tshepo Mlatedi Thaba Ugemeyiso recently abo Thabang Lebisi
yes
we are competing against such quality players
bekubona
bekuChiefs Pirates nabo nobo Bruce Ramukade no Tim Kwena so ngabo principal Muletsane kuSwalosi Stephen Tlowu yes nabo Sibuso Mazibuko kuSwalosi that's what so Godfrey Sapula ku Jomo Cosmos nabo watazwane ku Jomo Cosmos uyabona so all of those players we were competing against them so it happened ukuthi the tournament le Godfrey Mloyi
le yayidlala oqala ngo December yadlala
yes.
December yeah
then now that was 92
yes
right so it happened ukuthi bangiselect eWhite City okay simove eMfulo because of the violence yabakhona between ANC and IFP and stuff like that so we relocate suke from eMfulo sesohlala eWhite City manje so then now esquadini saseWhite City but ndoda was because kade bangibona athi besidlala elokishini madlala ko Jomo Cosmos sometimes sidlala kuphi elokishini yabona
under 19
under 19 yes no ama calls bedlala kakhulu eDilam kube khona iCosmos edlala elokishini thoth manje iPirates bes affiliate kayi2 ku Caltex called nakuma local league so besidlala like ukuyabona so sidlala eMaWhite City bangibona bathe uhlala kuphi intanga la ema13 bathi okay kwenziwa isquad kuyo trial mangifika lapha nakhona angizange trial mina it was a training for me now uyabona because of they knew already ukuthi okay ama capabilities yabo sure sidlale kwaMloyi first year sifike ku final sidliwe ku final
ilanti White City
yes so
and khona ama scouts lapha agcwala
ama scout akhona but at the same time angithi yazi baba market
yes
so uzothi ayigama lomuntu bakudlala esquad sase White City ubani udlala kuphi ubani udlala kuphi no Team Kwena Orlando Pirates Mandlazwane Orlando Pirates yabona babona ukuthi okay uyabona so kanti nganhlanhla le usikhumbuzo Mthembu bra sikhumbuzo Mthembu beka khona azobukela igame la kahle bokuyi scouting venue for all the clubs
yes I remember yeah
njoba khona manje sokune Pirates Cup nabo Asian it's scouting venue yabona so maba introduce igama lami Mandlazwane Orlando Pirates what development kanti ukhona usikhumbuzo Mthembu but okay
sikhumbuzo Mthembu ukwini ukuphi senior team ye Pirates
PRO ye Pirates yabo kanti vele uyangazi yena vele because masidla iPirates mayidlala besikhathini raise so bayaloka busy abo monitor progress yami from all these years yabona so masakabona ukuthi sengidlala against the seniors phela lapha kumloyi bokwama senior team bokwasama juniors yes even if una 18 19 kushuthi so mdala so mature enough ukuthi you can stand your ground yabona that was 92 December 93 kube khona the first ever under 20 South Africa. Khumbula kahle we just got back from international football.
Yes.
Yabona. Kube khona under 20 national team. Thiwa kuzoyenzwa ama trials.
Trials, yes.
Sambe nomngane wami uPeter S Chakela wase White City. Siye kuma trial. Sifike lapha we were the first ones. Sibhalisa amagama ethu eRand Stadium. Yabona. Hayi sifike sijime. Ngaleso sikhathi icoach boku Augusto Palacios
First team Pirates. Bafana, okay.
Yes, Bafana. South SA team boku Palacios no Professor Augusto Palacios u Brashakes Mashaba.
Yes,
no, Phil Sitedi, may soul rest in
Jones,
peace.
yeah, Mr.
Yes,
Jones,
yeah. Those were the 3 national team coaches.
Senior team.
But anti bokusise intsha amanda bekungakaziwa ukuthi uyathola so like introduce ama juniors.
Yes.
We national team.
Gluk and what now.
Before ama gluk aze after. Yes. So senza ama trial ama scout is obvious yes. So I was one of those guys, the first ever under 20 that was assembled by South Africa. National team.
Wow.
Babo. So from lapho ke uyabona ukuthi amani so umhlahlandlela sokhona yabo. But anyway, awukaboni next usesomntwana wena yabo. Amsesemncane 19 turning 20. Then fast forward around boma June or May, June, July, around this time of the year, AC Milan came to play South Africa, so the Orlando Pirates.
AC Milan.
I
remember that game, the score was 3-2.
Yes, that
in
game.
favor of AC Milan.
Yes.
I remember.
That first week, it happened, just before that, it happened ukuthi iPirates bezoya eCameroon. Belgani Desportivo de Douala of some sort. Ne? And then now they were playing a midweek game, only to find that that was catching razor that day. That was 93. Right? While I was busy preparing a team, the coach, because the coach was busy to okay, sometimes sort out the jersey, I short the skip and amasokisi, ubeke la masesgqoka uzothatha izinto bengimncedisa as a captain, yabona. Ukuthi uyenza ufaka bobani bengazi, yabona. Yeah, good. While we were doing that, first team yafika Orlando Pirates ngekhumbi. Walter da Silva, may soul rest in peace.
He was the head coach.
The guy head coach at the time. No, a Brazilian. Makafika uthola amajita ayateka yabona. Hayi naye afika ateka yabona. Makateka angaza yenzeni. Umngane amangibizela uAce, uPeter Chakela. Athi mangethe na ngumlungu wenza into zakho yabo. Ayingishiya ucoach lapho ne strip. Ngithe ngitshela umuntu ancedise ucoach lapho ngeke ngiyobona lapha umlungu wenzani. Ayingifike. Mangifika lapha bangiphase. Thatha ibhola ngiliteke ngilibeke ekhanda ngilicabuze ngilibeke entanyeni ngilirole ngidlale ngamashoulder bese ngiyamdonsa yabona maniqeda ngilibeke ngapha ngasemuva ngimphasa alibambe athi what's your name ngimtshela athi udlala ePirates ngithi yes athi what jersey number you wearing I'm wearing jersey number 10 athi okay I want to see you play right I shall sigqoke sihambe siyodlala first charge showing is a positive pass. Second ball outside the big box. Goal.
Crack.
That was enough. After game.
Ubukele
bahambe bayoshintsha. After game uPro Bras Khumbuzo Mthembu.
Yes.
Athi mandla mawuqeda ungahambi ngifuna ukukubona. So ratshele ucoach yethu Jeff. Uthi Jeff, tshela mfana uMandla uthi angahambi ngifuna ukumbona. Yabo? Lo mngane wami uyezwa lo because kaningi ngihlala nginaye. Yabona? Athi mangethe yabona kwenzakalani ngithi indoda awume kancane manje ish bayenzeka izoyenzeka but for now ashelpe ucoach asiqoqe impahla sihambise ikhidi yabona good enough after game kwamampela as uBras Khumba athi umlungu sitshele ngawo ufuna ukwazi ukuthi ufuna ukuthi uze training
senior team
this friend of mine uAce athi yes ngithi eyindoda manje wena ujajarach mana awume kancane athi manje sizwa ama details ukuthi
ithini le
ngana kanje uyabona into njengaleso good enough kwamampela yabo so then now iPirates ihambe eCameroon mabase eCameroon this guy uJeff Mazibuko may soul rest in peace besidlana kuPirates mara bekabuya kuChiefs under 19 naye kanti sebamsayinile ke yena seka professional
kuChiefs
no kuPirates
okay
kuPirates right ihambe eCameroon ePirates apparently azwe umlungu akhuluma no Dr Khoza chairman Ivan Khoza ukuthi hey there's a boy odlala ku reserve ufaka unumber 10 he must come to training please make a point uthi uyaza training yabo how okay after a week or two siyadlala futhi sa curtain raise Bras Khumbuzo angibiza after game athi angibiza athi imali mfana ngime naye uchairman Makeza ambiza
Ivan Khoza
yes uchairman Dr Ivan Khoza ambiza athi nawo lo mfana coach bekasitshela ngaye eCameroon athi ufuna aze ejimini yabo athi uwe athi athi woza la mfana bani igama lakho ngimtshela athi are you the next Jomo Sona ngithi ayi
and you're wearing 10 very
I was wearing number 10 yabona and then he kept telling me hey I'm not too sure about that but hey that's a big shoes to fill yabona but anyway thanks for a compliment yes ngivume yabo ayi right athi okay arrange indaba ze transport ke that you le vikile le AC Milan lele
AC Milan yes ngiyakho
yes you le vikile AC Milan yes Rochaville Monday hambe ngejim bathi sokuthola kuphi hayi ngibatshele bathi okay ume lapho bathi ngime ngabo 2 sijima ngo4 ku Pirates right bathi ngime lapha from ngabo 2 ngo 1 o'clock umngane nami beka athi endoda asiyindawo namhlanje
sihlala la siyalinda lapha
sime lapha elentuzane eWhite Horse eBakery yabona ngase Bakery eWhite City ayisiploma ngombe ayifika ikhumbi ngene emotweni fika lapha hey nangu uJeff ngiyamazi ke ngidlalile naye vele ku Pirates before bazo sign yabona abo Phosisa Makhanya okay yebo nasana alright mfanami so ujima na ngisebhasini ngaleso sikhathi yes Phosisa Makhanya
senior players abantu bathi lokubabuka ku TV
endoda ngiyakubona konke lokho umuntu engimbukela every weekend phela Pirates mayidlala besidlala besikhathini raise make no mistake as long as idlala eJohannesburg
nizobe nikhona
sobe sikhona sidlala esikhathini raise in a way kade bas prepare for utshani uyabona
ngathi kade ama heavy turfs and all
phela sijwayele inhlabathi uyabona sidlala eCaltex nayo I help in a way uyabona so sambe sejime weekend iPirates yadlana AC Milan siyadlana nathi basarrange le friendly game nevets ama juniors evets good sidlale sifike sine 3-1 again outside the box rocket ubashin Monday athi boy ucishe wabulala abantu la ngale shot yakho ngithi enze njani because of that's my speciality if mangidlala I used to make sure ukuthi ngiyakora if angikoranga amagoli amaningi 2 or 1 at least mine assist ke yabona ayi right it happened ke disaster came by John Chibas Pirates then I get they must cater for abantu abasign them ngaso sikhathi angasign bali John Chibas Pirates yabo abali John disaster ke manje angisayi training
yebana
hey umlungu salo uyabuza hey man what's happening
Dasile
uplo umuntu yes athi hayi imoto itshontshiwe yabo imoto itshontshiwe ayikho into esoyenza bese sikhethelele for abantu abasayiniwe uyabona athi no man lo muntu onamncane ngomzimba mani umsqueezeni phela iPirates eklaphe enkulu yabo nama traffic cop babathi tabona ama player iPirates ayastop okay uPhosisa Makhanya bekane imoto yakhe nazambele imoto yakhe ke aya offer it hayi lo miyekeleni nokudlala ngo-left njengami ngizodlula ngimthathe lapha eWhite City good shot akwamampela adlula ngithatha uBhotsoso Sani siloko siyalo kuyangithipha naye hayi boy wenze so may his soul rest in peace
yes he's also
yabo wenze so mfanami ngine ngathi bheka mawungena option ibhola zonke phambili ibhola lifake eboxini
bobona
mawungena option faka ibhola eboxini bazobona baphuma kanjani if abekho bazobathithisa ukuthi why bangeke eboxini because anti strikers khona uyabona kanjalo ayike while sajima ne first team nangu uPhalasho siyabuya futhi United Bank
yes
uzosinforma ukuthi uzoselect ama player like uBrandon Silent anabeka group yami under 19 babuka under 20 makathi Tlaw yangibona atshela uBrafil ukuthi hey Phil please tell Brandon phela qala ama facts bengakajwayeleki ifandi one lokuthumela ilist email or ama facts uthi play hayi ubhala shows beka drive ayithi wena uselectiwe nawe uselectiwe abase free state pick up iphone uyafona yabo so makathi uze training ubona uyangibona is that Mandla ufeel that yes athi yeah please tell him and Brenda until I was with Brandon bakathi Brandon silent Brenda and Mandla must report for camp Sir Jimmy Helderfontein just like that isuke kanjalo ke lokho masese sajima lapha nge under 20 yabo
national team
amajita sajima before mama nickname amajita sajima kanti ama scouts among those scouts kune Chiefs kune Sundowns obvious no Brache oyiJomo Cosmos yes yabona babheka ama player phela ngaso sikhathi ke squad bese stringimiwe ke to 33 players if not 26 yeah. Sijime then now final selection now sizodlala United Bank eDurban naMaZulu right I was in the 20 ehambile yodlala KZN the coach that ngaso sikhathi ngathi soku Brashakes Mashaba he gave me my first cap as under 20
sure
and he gave me my first cap as a senior player
Bafana
Brashakes yes Brashakes Mashaba maswina iCOSAFA Cup the first ever COSAFA Cup victory for South Africa we beating Malawi at Durban we beat them away 2-1 in Malawi then second leg makora uTsovila at Durban masibadla 1-0 yes
you were the part of the Bafana
setup yes
and then go Pirates ama contra wangena kwi national senior team I mean
yeah
and then how was the treatment the reception and everything from the senior players basebe kwamukela nasiku right ngasenankinga now
no mina like I never had issues because bengudlala ku development e Pirates
so part
bangibona
of the family
anti mabafika bazodlala babukela igame
bayithanda lento
bayabheka igame for that 15-20 minutes spell before bayoshintsha yes babukela igame babona ukuthi hey lento ngale idlala ngo left I captain le number 10 lo ayunzima man yabona mawufika lapha bathi boy yeah one of the things is uTentence Malisela
yeah
when he was recovering from his injury he played with us ku reserve team so masodlala ama game ama friendly games beka bakhona yabona makalibamba athi Mandla wona boy mangibamba usondele ngizokuphasa bekazi kuno magic ozowenza
something yeah
yabo so masisa ngiza ku first team uye the two guys who passed on uOprili Bangimakau no Lulisen Rathelele no Oprili Kwane yes so mabangibone training baya scream yabo uDen angazibeka kuphi bari yo Den bona utlile mang yo bari Den King bana lona bari bona utlile mang babathi bayabheka uDen makathi uyangibona azange ascreame kanje nathi yes sibona bawutlisise bawupromote the careers but well done congratulations ngaleso sikhathi majority ama players awe senior team kade sowangazi vela bo the Nixishweni Bashin Mahlangu abona Innocent Mncwango no Bernard Lushozi kade sebangazi vela because njoba ngishilo ele kade bangibukela masifika so mabafika kade babona ama game yabona vele abengenza into yami abengenza make no mistake leyasemuva into za later on yabona but
phambili
alalela from midfield going forward either nyakora or nyacreate and anguphasi ukuthi usazohlupheka nokuphasa ukuthi ukora mawumesile boko kwakho mara mbe nguphasa ukuthi uhambe yokora
yes wahlala kwe Pirates fine you enjoyed your stay I believe up till 1997 I believe
not exactly
up to 1994 before you went on to overseas
angithi masijima ngamanda 20
yes
kunama scouts
yes
so that it happened ukuthi there's this guy Marcelo Houseman
yes
the guy who was ngabo phala shows back in the day ku ACs bese ka agent
yes
so uyezo anti bumngana abo phala shows bakhuluma Spanish
yes
yabona so uyayibona ama training sessions angibiza akhume no phala shows athi hey man and can I give me a moment I want to speak with this boy
Marcelo
Houseman, yes. At the end
we
of
first team Pirates that
no. Yes, first team Pirates.
Pirates, yes.
But national team.
national team
Sisesquadini sa trainer sa prepare. Uyeza uzobukela ama training session. Anayo ufuna ama player phela ungakhohlwa ukuthi
agent
agent and
Ufuna
as long
ukusayina.
as you are under 20 Europe you are most wanted.
Yeah,
You are
market,
the most
yeah,
wanted player more under 20 Europe. Akhulume nami yabona. Angibiza athi do you know me? Ngithi no uthe makathi aselo Marcelo Houseman ngithi okay I do know because of anti sayifunda Sowetan.
so
Umuntu ohambisa ama player take phela khumula South African market ngaleso sikhathi bokuyi take.
shoes
Abo shoes ifani
Steve Kompela and
Steve
them.
Kompela and the likes, he's the guy yabona. So I didn't know the face but I knew the name yabona. Thema akazisho ukuthi ubani oh okay would you be interested in me being your agent? I will take you overseas. I'm like, oh, okay, be
Why
my
not?
guest.
Why not?
I would love
I don't
it.
have
Why
any-
not?
anyway.
I don't have. Okay, that was 1994 then.
Yeah.
Because I signed professional in 93,
93,
August. 94, then United Bank.
Yes.
That's when now Alenduza. Ukuthi manje nakhona izinto ngiyaziphambanisa but anyway, I'll come back to ngizobuyela esporweni. So, siyajima ngama under 20 United Bank. Masibuya angifonele athi ufucela sihlangane yabona eRose Bank ngiye eRose Bank angitshele i-breakdown kuzenzeka 1 2 3 in the interim please prepare unayo passport athi ngithi no anginayo passport athi okay we must do one ngiyenze passport kwamampela right. Fast forward mazithi boma March as a training the Pirates that they listen there's a trip as a Holland Feyenoord yabo. I've arranged my trials lapho. It's you meaning mina uEtienne Nsunda no Enes Shirwali.
yeah.
Yes, I sambe kwamampela.
And those are big guns.
Yo. Yabo. Well established players.
Umthawande.
Ayisambe siye Holland. Masifike eHolland. Lalela ngezinto yami. The legend himself uShirwali athi hayi boy. Ushaya amaphasami.
And then kwakuyinja igame phela kumaphasi lochiro.
Lalele outside of the foot athi wenza into zami ngithi mara ngiyakubukela mos sonyanga lengayenza into yenziwayo umaster.
Learn from the
I
past.
learn from the past. So kwamele ngiyenze leyo pass leyo kuyabona. Athi no I wish you all the best mfana. Of which nakhona vele I had a very very good game because a day before that friendly game we had a training session, a tactical. Yabona. We had a tactical move the coach showed us. Yabona. Executed a movie yakhona a training ngayiphinda nase game. On top of that I created other 2 more goals.
Wow.
Ngaphinda futhi ngayenza solo run ngakora ngadribla wonke umuntu from my half.
Yes.
Ngadribla wonke umuntu goalkeeper to beat ngambheka wasonde ukuthi maka close to 18 era ngamlupa ibhola. Angizange ngilichipa ngalilupa isizulu nje ngathi ngakuba ngathi mshangalo.
Yeah, ushayigagasi.
Yabona. After game alalela everyone the coach was impressed even ama supporters bewakhona lapha they were like clap izandla uyabona. I was like but this is nothing.
I'm just being myself, guys.
Uyabona so it's part of the territory uyabona. So yeah.
And then yabisukile
Yabisukile ke kanjalo. Then now fast forward World Cup 94 and then July uMarcelo uyafona uthe paka impahla zakho ndoda.
1994.
After until singe Holland
Yes,
April
April, yes.
ngabuya.
Kwaba ilento.
Buye a week before my elections, the first elections, yes, yeah. Then kwaba khona iWorld Cup 94.
94, yes.
USA.
Yes. USA, yes.
Yaphela iWorld Cup, then now so pre-season for ama club e-Europe.
Yes. After
Then now
World Cup.
Marcelo uyafona mid-June or just after
World Cup,
mid-June.
yeah, July.
Iphela July World Cup.
Yeah, phela about July 10, 12.
Yes, ngaso sikhathi ama teams awaqala pre-season. Yabo? End of June athi kimi endoda pack your bags siyahamba. Immediately after the World Cup. Yes, I'm okay, good. Manje shothi se Holland. Ngithi siyakupha athi se Portugal. Portugal athi yes.
Qhamuka Portugal man. Ngilindele Holland.
Lalela mina bengenandaba nokuthi kuphi because I was overseas.
Say Europe
Say
claro.
Europe, yes, because that has been my dream ever since anyway. Because maybe I prepared myself mentally because of I was watching European football before it was fashionable.
Yes.
Back in the day, remember how there was this channel called iBob TV.
Bob TV,
Bopuchatsona TV.
Bob
They used to
Chatsona,
show
yes.
my highlights as a Europe. So bengabukela ama highlights as a Europe. So I knew exactly
what was happening here.
aha.
So along ndlela bisisukile no Holland straight to Portugal.
Straight to
So uyaku
Portugal.
mawufika ePortugal
Ngiya Porto.
FC Porto.
Yes.
Yabo Benny McCarthy.
Before Benny McCarthy, Benny joined Porto maybe 9 years later. Maybe 94, year 2003, 4. Yeah,
Yes.
almost 8 to 9 years
9
after.
years later.
Yes, yeah.
That's when I think they were coached by Jose Mourinho.
Yes, mina coach Jose Mourinho boki assistant coach ngaleso sikhathi. Beka coach boku Bobby Robson, the late Bobby Robson. Lo beka coach England national
England,
team.
yes.
Yes, yeah, was my coach.
So you were coached by Bobby Robson, assisted by the special one.
Yes.
Oh boy, am I jealous or am I jealous? I envy you already. Just imagine to be in the locker room with Jose Mourinho.
Yeah.
I mean, that's an achievement on its own.
Yeah.
I mean, to be coached by him, I mean, I'm
he was my fan, eh? Jose Mourinho, he was my fan.
And he loves, and you lazi ball.
Yeah,
My special maybe umuntu olazi ball.
Yeah,
Surely, if
I
he
mean-
falls in love, ngokwakhe.
Yeah, I mean, whatever that Ronaldinho was doing, he saw it maybe 4 or 5 years before
You doing it.
I was doing it. And I was loaned out to which club called Ipenafiel bedlala ku NFT equivalent.
Yakhona lapha,
Yeah,
yeah.
yakhona.
That's
khona.
Portugal still.
Portugal, yeah. Because Portugal yazi kunjani kakhulu ePorto ne. iPorto inama relationship nama-club amaningi eNorth and
yes, yes.
dominant eNorth. Portugal, you can see from the map, east one stream. Yabona?
yes.
So eSouth is Sporting Lisbon neBenfica, eNorth iPorto,
Porto
neBoa Vista,
dominating.
neSporting Braga. Those are dominant clubs, neVitória Guimarães. So iPorto inama players nabo coach ebalonayo ebanthola imisebenzi eNorth. So one of the coaches we friend one of the officials at Porto wacela ukuthi okay man yazini please help us survive relegation. So him no Etienne Nsonda then we were loaned out.
Mvumbi.
Yeah, we were loaned out to that club Ipenafiel because of the fighting relegation and by then bongena this window period so we could just sign players as and when.
Mshawushile.
Yeah.
So, and then just take us back ukulona laphana ukufika kwakho laphana ePortugal. Surely there were some language barriers, culture shock and all those things. Talk to us, how did you overcome all of that? Were there any classes yofundisa Portuguese, because I don't think wasazi Portuguese masukala. So how did you fit in the whole Portugal culture?
No, look, football it transcends the language and everything because football language is universal. The third part, okay, the only part that maybe we are struggling is social life. But then now we have to adjust. But then now, for me, it was never an issue because I was still young at the time and I didn't have much. All I wanted to do was to play football, and I had to adapt very, very, very quickly.
Yes.
Because then now we can't khuluma language ongayazi.
Ongayazi.
But inhlanhla leyo abo 1 2 3 4 besibakhuluma yazi lokishini i-township lingo.
yeah.
Yabona usiyacounta 1 2 3 4 yabona. Mangifika lapha ngithi man labantu abakhala 1 2 3 4 bese ngasamnaka u 1 2 3 4 bese ngibala from 5 ukuya phezulu 5 6 7 8 12 dash nov dash meaning unov 9 u8 u8 u7 u7 then uya pick up yabona uyabeza abantu bayakhuluma bondia good morning botarde good afternoon uyabamba I'm still fresh from matric. I did my matric 2 years earlier in 1992. So I'm like, oh okay, man lento iyafundeka musisi.
So it's Portuguese.
Yabo Portuguese ngithatha ama video cassette mangibukele I video English nama subtitles ngiyafunda lapha. Within 2 months bese ngikwazi ukukhuluma. Understand still.
Understand in Portuguese.
Ngisikhuluma futhi mara kancane slowly but ngicine sengisijwayela. Within 6 months bese ngikwazi ukukhuluma fluently.
So, and then were there any challenges or our experience in your stay Konalapan, Portugal, especially coming from South Africa where there was apartheid and all those things? How were all those things? Social life,
social life, it was like that nakhona, but bengeke bakubonise uyabona, but apartheid was still there. Umuntu omnyama given.
They reminded you, you are black.
But players won't make you feel that way. But events around.
Yeah, socially off the field.
Off the field, yes, yeah. Because of when you go on the street, people like,
okay, this dark here?
Yeah, but anyway, we do have black Portuguese player people there, but majority of them bakuma construction on all these other sectors is a life we are but nje sporting front it's only those few players even Brazilian you find those black Brazilians but which is it wasn't that bad but there was still racism in Portugal but then for me etlapini Porto it was okay.
And then uyohlala lapha ePorto currency yakhona what was it?
Currency bokama escudos.
Then you earned all these big salaries go Portugal. Then 1997 I believe you came back to South Africa. So now how coming from Europe back to South Africa to where you'll be talking rands and cents, how do you go about negotiating now a contract? I believe you came back to Orlando Pirates again. So did you take any into a salary cut or what? Or did you manage to negotiate a higher contract, Mojoeni Pirates, for the second spell now?
No, not exactly. Because for me, it was like coming back home. So the money negotiations, it was never about imali because of from what I was earning in Portugal to what I was earning in Pirates, the gap was too big. Because remember, when I left South Africa first time, the dollar was not that much of a big difference than what it is today. But we want to run something. So my 15,000 rand salary in Portugal in '94 was okay. Then when I came back, I settled for even less than what I was earning in Portugal. Because for me it was not about imali, it was more about ukudlala. And again being loyal to a club, a breakthrough things overseas. It was never about imali.
So it is obvious that, fine, you played for other teams here in South Africa. You played for Orlando Pirates, your Black Leopards, your ACs, your SuperSport United. But sure, Orlando Pirates, they hold a special place in your heart. So in such a way that I believe that you are even involved, Kuma Legends, why Orlando Pirates, Kuimanje. I believe we spoke during the course of the week. I believe the Nama games and Zoadala. Talk to us about those games that where the Orlando Pirates will be participating on this year.
Yeah, Pirates, a brand, and it's a very, very, very a renowned institution, and of which I'm happy and proud to be part of the Masters Orlando Pirates because they gave me the platform. So I'm grateful to that, and thanks to Chairman Dr. Ivan Khoza for giving that opportunity, even to go overseas because of, if I remember correctly, I don't think Pirates got money out of my deal overseas. How, I don't know, but yeah. But to come back, also to welcome me back to the club, I mean, I couldn't have asked for more, because of he didn't get anything out of me, but he still welcomed me back home. So I'm very, very grateful for that. And yeah, look, we're having a tournament, a game, I think, around July this year. If I'm not mistaken. It's a 4-team tournament where it's going to be Sundowns Masters, Sundowns Legend, and Chiefs Legends, Orlando Pirates Legend, and I think the selection is in Mpumalanga.
Okay, squads.
Yeah, so I don't know who they have, but yeah, from my side, that's what I can give because that's the information I have at the moment.
Since it is clear that your heart is invested with Orlando Pirates, and just going back to Orlando Pirates, for the past 3 seasons, we have seen Orlando Pirates playing some kind of a bridesmaids to Mamelodi Sundowns, some second fiddle, Sundowns dominating South African football. But the Pirates, for the past 3 seasons, they've been struggling to topple Mamelodi Sundowns. They've been struggling to because we challenge Sundowns. What is your take? What is it Orlando Pirates that they should do to try and match Sundowns, or even better, topple them, not playing this Uma Kochana role, bridesmaids role that they've been playing consistently so for the past 3 seasons, because they've been number 2 with Sundowns for the past 3 seasons, and I believe this season as well, they are flirting with the second position once again.
Yeah, look, I mean, if football is I know therefore at the same time, Pirates, I think they stood the test of time, and they are a strong club, and I know, believe you me, next season is going to be even more. They will challenge Sundowns. They'll push Sundowns to the limit. Unfortunately, there are things that I'm on the outside. I cannot pinpoint as to what are the weaknesses or the strengths of the team. But pound for pound, the Pirates, I think they've assembled a very, very strong team. And it's obviously going to take some time. It will take some stability for a club to start winning. And I think Jose Rivero he did a very, very good job to take Pirates from where it was, to be where it is today. I mean, Pirates, the last 3 seasons, they've been winning trophies, and of which, if you check before Atata over, were maybe finalist or semi-finalist or not even reaching the semi-final. But after he took over, Pirates started to win. I mean, look at the support, the spiritual owners of the club. They fill up Orlando Stadium because of the type of football that the club is playing, and of which they must be commended. The technical team, even the chairman, must be commended for bringing someone who would bring that culture at Orlando Pirates back to Orlando. Our supporters, they are happy wherever they are. Yes, Sundowns has been dominating South African football. Yes, Pirates is a big club as well. So we're catching up with them. Time will come. The many years are now.
Yes, I'm happy you gave Iglo Kuzi credit and compliments to, can I say, former Orlando Pirates coach Jose Rivero. Officials has it now. It's official. He's leaving Orlando Pirates. They won trophies back to back, like they always say. Numbers do not lie. The fans, Orlando Pirates fans, they've been filling stadiums of late. So now coming to Jose Rivero, yes, he's leaving Orlando Pirates with all those that positivity that he has brought to the Sea Robbers ship. Don't you think Orlando Pirates management, they should have persuaded the guy, break the bank, come with a counter offer, do whatever out of their to ensure they keep Jose Rivero? Because now whoever that's going to come to Orlando Pirates, surely there might not be an element of continuity.
Yeah, it's a tough one, my brother. I mean, if an individual, especially a male figure, cites his family concerns, then there's nothing that anyone can do. If a family is struggling, as a man, you're away from home, at some point, money becomes second, but family comes first. So I understand where Jose Rivero is coming from, and I understand the position of where Orlando Pirates' position is at the moment. Yeah, I guess it's fate. I guess it's life. Time to leave. If it says figure, it says figure. There's no one who can stop it. Even if they had to break the bank, that time was still going to come anyway. So,
but the guy is doing pretty well. I mean,
yeah,
why let him go?
Yeah, but unfortunately, family reasons were cited as the number one thing that made the decision to be even harder for the coach to take. With Ishman, I started a project. But now at the same time, he once mentioned in one of the interviews that he usually spends a year or two, but 3 years is long. So even now himself, you can see that I think he overstayed according to him.
Yeah,
yeah.
Especially if you check his profile.
Yeah. So my decisions that only individuals can come to those conclusions. Okay, now I'm set. I'm going back home. I've overstayed, or I've achieved what I wanted to achieve. So yeah.
There you have it. We heard that our guest Yasho Lapano, he strongly believes that Orlando Pirates management, the way they handled the Jose Rivero matter, allowing him to jump ship from the Sea Robbers ship, he feels they handled the best that they could. So uthi ngalondlela akababeke icala, uya understand that it is what it is. Isikhathi masesifikile bese kuyisikhathi sokuthi lapha insizwa Jose Rivero ayishiye lapha amaBuccaneers with a great record, it must be said, because if you go back and check his stake Orlando Pirates in just less than 3 years, siyathola ukuthi lapha Orlando Pirates they scored a whopping 209 goals, 212 goals actually, if we consider the 3 that they scored against the Golden Arrows. No Orlando Pirates coach had ever achieved that. The most that Orlando Pirates most goals that Orlando Pirates ever scored under a coach, I believe it's around about 148, 149 goals in 3 years. And Jose Rivero went as far as 212 goals and collecting how many? 5 trophies in just less than 3 years. Surely that is a big shoes to fill. Whoever that will take over from Jose Rivero. Which takes me straight to the next question. With Jose Rivero leaving Orlando Pirates and he's a foreign coach, surely the foreign versus local coach comes to the fore again in as far as the Orlando Pirates are looking for a head coach. From your side, if you were to advise the Orlando Pirates management, foreign coach versus for a local coach, and why?
I would say the leadership of the club knows what's good for the club. Let them make that decision, and we're fully behind the management of the club.
When as
That
Mandlas
decision.
one, what
I
would you like
support-
to
I-
see?
I-
When as
I- I
Mandlas
would-
one, what would you like to see?
I would
A
support,
local coach or
I would-
foreign coach?
I would support the decision that it will be taken by the club. Whether it be local or foreign, I will support, because the bottom line is what's important is the club, not individual, whether it be local or overseas. But I would support the decision that will be taken by the club.
And then elsewhere, Rulani Mokwena, I believe he's available on the market again. Orlando Pirates, they're also searching for the head coach. And most people in the corridors, they strongly believe that Rulani Mokwena has got some unfinished business with the Orlando Pirates. If you were to give an advice to Orlando Pirates, would you give advise them to reconsider bringing Orlando Mokwena back to the Siropas?
Look, for anyone who's available that the club deemed fit to be the head coach of the club, I would support that statement. I would support that statement.
So you are happy with the so Orlando Mokwena should come back. Do you also believe that Orlando Mokwena has got some outstanding
Why not?
unfinished business?
Why not? Yes, if the club decides that, yes, I'll support that.
Okay.
If Rulani is chosen as the head coach of the club, we'll support the decision, because the chairman has never made wrong decisions. I think ever since I've known the chairman, he always go for the right man for the job. So whoever that the club or the management decide, will accept it.
There you have it, South Africa. You hear that our guest, the Mandla Zwane, he says that he will strongly support whatever decision that Orlando Pirates management will make with regard to the replacement of the outgoing head coach in the foremanship of Jose Rivero. Would it be Rulani Mokwena who will be watching that space with a keen interest as the conversation on the corridors continues, that definitely Rulani Mokwena might just join the Orlando Pirates, but we will be watching that space with a keen interest. Before we wrap our discussion, time is definitely not on our side. You recently left South Africa for Asia, India to be exact. Can you just quickly put us in the picture with how did you end up in India doing football? It's kind of shy, but I was shy and fast glow issue across India.
There's a guy also who Kamlesh Bega journalist, so Bega support our Mini Rangers. So we kept
Mini Rangers,
the
Mighty Molas, yes.
Yes, Bega reporter Mini Rangers. So we kept contact. So Bega Mbuza 2023 with man, what are you doing? I'm sure I'm an coach in net development.
When was that? Last year?
2023.
2023,
Yeah.
yes.
So I know there's a friend of his who say India who funa coach. Are you interested in it? Yeah, I may be interested. Why not? Because football is played everywhere. So okay, Abu him after 2 weeks. I said, this guy looks interested. He wanted your CV. Can I send him? Give me your CV. I'm near the CV. Why Hambis? A week later, I phone. This guy is interested. Can you send him my videos or your training sessions? I give him my video or training sessions. This guy, Abu this man is interested. He wants to bring you over.
Go India.
To India.
Yes.
So that's what happened.
Next
And
thing
then
you took the flight to India.
Yeah, I took a flight to India in December 2023.
Yes, December
Yeah,
2023.
I came
yes.
back in December 2024.
How was your stay there in India?
It was okay, but the country is too hot. Where I was, it was too hot. Yo.
Hey,
Southern tip of India, yes.
It's very, very hot.
Yeah. Now the most populous country in the world, India, 1.4 billion people.
Yes.
We knew China is the most populous
Yes.
country, but India is most populous.
Sure. There you have it, South Africa. Bungazi lapha nozothi India idlala cricket njengami. There you have
And
it.
the football is growing, eh? It's
In
growing. It is growing. I mean, the majority of the teams in India, adala PSL's equivalent, they've got Spanish coaches. That tells you. Yes. That tells you, yes.
Football is definitely
Yes,
growing in India.
yes.
Yeah, then isikhathi lapha nesesiyashaya. Ake ngibuze lapha umbuzo nje omncane lapha. Bafana with the World Cup qualifiers. How do you fancy their chances? Especially considering that Tebogo Mokoena, Lesotho Saga, where do we stand with it? How do you fancy Bafana chances making it to the World Cup? Abona considering Nigeria bakho, Zimbabwe bakho, now Lesotho still gonna play them. So how do you fancy my chances? The possible 3 points deduction that
Yeah,
hanging over our
I
heads.
checked that log. I think we stand a good chance, and moreover, Nigeria has to come to Johannesburg to play us at home. So if we get a draw there, we've already booked our ticket to the next World Cup. But if we do win, we seal our fate. It's only within our hands to qualify for World Cup, regardless of what's going to happen with the 3 points deduction. It is still within our hands to qualify.
Last question. Still with Bafana Bafana. Bafana Bafana, ilokhuza umgogodla weBafana Bafana. I believe it is Mamelodi Sundowns. We're talking more than 60% of Bafana Bafana players that are from Sundowns. And most people in my corridor, they've been complaining with why too many players based Sundowns in. What is your take on Hugo Broos using so many Sundowns players as the core of his team?
Look, at Bafana level, you cannot try. You must. It's results driven. So if majority of the players come from, because not you miss out Pirates. They come from Pirates and Sundowns.
Okay,
Yeah.
obvious coming
I
from
mean,
you. You always remind me of Pirates. Yeah.
They are campaigning in Africa, so they understand the climate, the environment as Africa.
pressure, everything.
Pressure and everything. So it's obviously, as a coach, you need stability. And you can always add to one or two from different clubs, but the stability is needed. So it happened with the Sundowns. It created that stability. Yes. Pirates also followed suit, because if you can check, I'm a player Pirates right now, it's about 4 or 6 players as the Orlando Pirates, as Bafana. So, which it augurs well for the country. I mean, Chiefs right now, they're going back to Africa. If when they compete, maybe who knows, the coach will call some of the players from Kaizer Chiefs, because now, at least, in nuclear state team, badlala together.
The exposure and pressure and everything by joining.
Yes, again, I will remind you, the team that won the World Cup in 2014 from Germany, majority of those players played for Bayern Munich. The team that won the World Cup here in South Africa in 2010, majority of those players came from Barcelona. So there's a trend. You have to understand, because of this, those players, they train together, they play together, they understand each other very well. There's team cohesion. That's what the coach, even if I were a coach, I would also go for that type of mind, like that philosophy approach, to say, or maybe approach to say, yes, this team is playing in Africa, we're playing in Africa. So, and they are competing very well. So it's an obvious decision that any coach who understands football can do.
There we have it, South Africa. Our guest, Mandla Zwane, is definitely in full support of how things are done in the Bafana setup. He definitely fully understands why Bafana head coach in the foremanship of Hugo Broos, why he uses Mamelodi Sundowns as the core of Bafana. If you were to be in Hugo Broos's shoes, he will definitely use that philosophy, that approach, and use the players from the most successful club in the country. In this case, it is a Mamelodi Sundowns. I said, yes, it's been done even in Europe. Your German in 2014, they did it by Bayern Munich players. 2010, Spain, they did it here on home soil with Barcelona. So by the look of things, it looks like Hugo Broos Lapan is definitely pressing all the right buttons in as far as Bafana are concerned. Let's hope Bafana they'll go all the way and make South Africa proud and qualify for the FIFA World Cup. That's how we come to our episode, to our show for today's Sports Geek with Sibonelo Ngcobo, which was episode 5 this time around. And our guest was none other than Mandla Christopher Zwane. Before I let you go, what are you busy with right now? Where are you working?
Right now, I'm coaching a soccer school,
yes,
Helderfontein, and also a club, Total Football Excellence in Midrand.
Yes.
Yeah, that's where I'm busy right now.
And then if one wants to get hold of you, how does one get in touch with you?
Yeah, you can phone me 082-721-1075.
Can you repeat that number?
082-721-1075.
And does it have WhatsApp?
I'm also on WhatsApp.
Social
and
media?
Social media, Instagram, Facebook, I'm there.
Esba.
Mandla_Z Zwane.
Mandla_Zwane uyamthola laphana kuma social media platform ko Facebook, Instagram, ila ungamthola khona inamba yakhe laphana ya WhatsApp uthe wasinikeza yona. Asibonge kakhulu eMangethe. AbakaMangethe bawontshosho nabo.
Untshosho, yes.
Aw.
Mapholoba.
Bonga kakhulu baba. Thank you. That's how we come to an end of our show. Till then, it is bye-bye.